Just a quick video on how to begin your Rube Goldberg balloon popper SketchUp. So this is a brand new screen, new file. We're going to delete Katherine Johnson, clear your screen, and now we're going to start drawing from the origin, which is where these lines intersect. Click over here on our rectangle tool, click and release on the rectangle. Hover over the origin, click and release. Then drag to the right, and you should have an open rectangle. Okay, it's not filled in. Then we're going to type in, we're not going to touch anything else, nothing, my hand's not touching anything else. We're going to type in 1, and then the foot symbol is the single quote, comma, 8 for 8 feet. So we're using the foot symbol, which is the single quote. So 1, single quote, comma, 8, single quote, enter. And that's what it looks like. If you hit Shift Z, it zooms way in on it, and then you can orbit and hit Shift Z again, and now you have a little bit of a different perspective. If you don't like that perspective, change it until you get something that looks good to you. Now at least you have 8 feet to draw your balloon popper system, and you can start laying out all your different areas. So for instance, I'm going to choose the rectangle tool again, and I'm going to start drawing just some rectangles to give me an idea. I'm going to draw 5 rectangles, so I know that I need at least 5 chain reactions. So within each one of these rectangles, I'm going to have something going on here in order to get 5 chain reactions and 8 feet. So let's see if you can see that. There you go. So as long as you've got, say, a pulley in the first one, and then an inclined plane, and then maybe some dominoes, and then maybe your lever, and then you can pop your balloon at the end. So I'm kind of trying to plan this out a little bit. This is one method that I think might help you. All right. So that's just to get you started. And then obviously from there, you could start push-pulling. Okay, let's say I want to have a pulley over here. I'm going to use a circle for a pulley, so go to the circle tool, and I'm going to bring this out like this, so now at least I have something round to represent my pulley. And of course, remember, underneath the tape measure tool or is the text tool. So I'm going to start labeling things appropriately. And we're going to call this a pulley. Okay, so that's just to get you started there. Now, as long as you have all of the required elements, which is the lever, the inclined plane, and the pulley, and it looks good, you should get all the credit for your SketchUp. So good luck, and I will talk to you soon.